Okay, Austin, this is your first video. Hey, oh, you don't look at the camera, do you? You look at me. Hey, everybody out there. This is my best face. Yeah, hey. What are you going to say for the camera, Austin? You got something to say? Bleh. Bleh, 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 bleh. That's nice, isn't it? Okay. Say goodbye to everyone. Say hello. Hi, Granny. Hi, Granddad. Hi, uncles and aunties up there. Hi, Pip. Hi, Helen. Hi, Craig and Pam. Okay. Just say goodbye now, okay? See everybody. Been nice seeing you on my first video. Hope you enjoyed it.